After deliberating for more than 4 hours, KTLA's Lauren Lister has more on the day's proceedings.
Hi there. Court set to resume in the morning. Jurors dismissed after deliberating for hours, and they've asked to be reread portions of witness testimony. The former president awaiting his fate in his New York criminal hush money trial, facing 34 felony counts of falsifying business records in the lead up to the 2016 election. He has pleaded not guilty and blasted the case against him.
Mother Teresa could not beat these charges. These charges are rigged. The whole thing is rigged.
A sea of media outside the lower Manhattan courtroom. The decision in the hands of 12 jurors, 7 men and 5 women. Before they began deliberating, the judge telling them, "It is not my responsibility to judge the evidence here. It is yours. You are the judge of the facts, and you are responsible for deciding whether the defendant is guilty or not guilty. You must put aside any personal opinions you have in favor of or against the defendant." Coming to a unanimous decision, no simple task, says a former federal prosecutor.
We're dealing with convoluted legal arguments and probably the most politicized trial in American history.
It's the first criminal trial of a former U.S. president. Not only that,
there's also a cast of characters who testified, including former adult actress Stormy Daniels, and of course the prosecution's star witness, Michael Cohen, who's a convicted felon and an admitted liar.
Former Trump lawyer and fixer Michael Cohen testifying that Trump directed him to pay off Stormy Daniels $130,000 to silence her claims that she had a sexual encounter with Trump. Trump's attorneys argued Cohen is lying outside court this week.
If there was an MVP, if there was a GOAT of liars, it is Michael Cohen.
The prosecution argued other evidence corroborates Cohen's account. The charges stem from reimbursements paid to Cohen. Trump accused of misrepresenting them as legal expenses to hide what they were really for. Trump contends the money was for legit legal services and has also denied the affair with Daniels.
How's it going there, Mr. Trump?
To rise to a felony, jurors must find Trump falsified records with intent to commit or conceal another crime. Prosecutors allege it was to influence the election. If convicted,
theoretically, he can be sentenced to up to 4 years in New York State prison. That's unlikely, though. If he's convicted, I believe Judge Juan Merchan will sentence Trump to probation.
The jury also asking to be reread the judge's instructions to them. At 6:30 a.m. our time, court set to resume. That's the latest in the newsroom. I'm Lauren Lister, KTLA 5 News.
CNN is reporting federal